So you guys want to hack like Among Us? Well, you've come to the right place. Alright, I really thought about that intro. I think it was pretty good. I'm back. Let's do this. Now, you guys want to cheat on Among Us. First of all, I don't know why you would click the video. It's not very cool of you. You should be playing legitly. Of course, I'm just joking. You can hack as much as you want. Have fun. Troll your friends. Let's get into this. All I ask, guys, in return is that you just leave a like on the video. And maybe even subscribe. That's all I ask. It's not hard. Okay, so let's start. First, to download, I want you guys to type in Among Us Injector, and this is going to be the website, GitHub, and just try and find the actual thing. This is one of them. It's called Injector. And then go ahead and download update beta2.dll. This is going to work. You're going to have to do the same thing that I'm going to do. I have an older version, I think. I'm not even going to update it because I don't hack. But yeah, download Injector, download beta2.dll. If it tells you there's a virus, a pop-up is gonna pop up right on the bottom right, and then just click allow. Don't worry, guys, it's not a virus, so you will be good. So now we're just gonna wanna click this, and this comes up, ladies and gentlemen. We got extremeinjector.exe and Among Us Sneak evil.dll. These are the two files. It might be different for you depending on which one you downloaded. I will leave the ones I currently have on the description. Make you download, go to a link so you can have mine exact. So this is basically all you'll need, just these two files. Again, you can download it from the website, or you can check the description in this video, it will be there. Okay, so now you go on Steam, you click play on Among Us. Among Us has to be running first. So now what you want to do is just click on the Extreme Injector, open it up, and you will go to this page and click select right here. Nothing is going to be selected for you, but for me, I already did it just to see as an example. So click select, and then right here on this page, just try and find Among Us. Just keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, and boom, there it is. It's gonna be the logo. Just click on it, click select. It's gonna appear right here, and then let's just say this is gone, remove. Now you're gonna wanna drag the .ll file that you have on the folder, or wherever you have it, and drag it in. And now click inject. Injection has completed successfully, and now you go back to Among Us, and there are your hacks. So now you may be wondering, well, how does this work? Relax, guys. That's what I'm here for. Let's go into a game. Let's troll some poor people. Okay, so obviously there's a player list. You can pretty much harass a player. You can click on them and then just kick them out of the game. Okay, it kicks me out of the game. Okay, so let's not kick people out of the game. Let's make sure they stay in the game. Now, of course, guys, there's other hacks. This is not the only one, but this is the one that I found, and this is pretty good. But they could send a custom message being like, I'm the imposter. This is one of my favorite things. You could just pretty much say, I'm the imposter, and now he typed, I'm the imposter. I'm actually the imposter. So here we have radar enabled, we have dead body. I'm pretty sure they can't see the dead body. We have imposter, we got no kill timer. I enabled it, so I'm pretty sure I could just kill them without there being a kill timer. Okay, there was only one person. But you see that my kill timer wasn't up, so this is pretty much no kill timer. You can have rainbow color, you can change the color as much as you want, it doesn't matter. It's really cool stuff. Speed, you could have maximum speed. So let me do this, drag it up, and then you just fast your speed. You could call a meeting, you can win or lose the game as imposter, you could skip all the meetings. There's snake mode, which everybody follows you. It's kind of weird. I think it just lags the game out, so don't do that. Disco players, you could change everybody's things. You can F up players, you can unfreeze imposter, freeze imposters, kick all. There's a lot of stuff you can do here, guys. So there you guys have it. That's pretty much it. That's how you hack on Among Us. Very easy. Again, check the link in the description. Just do what I did in this video and troll your friends and plague Among Us. So thank you guys for watching. I'm getting a call. I need to go. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.